Okay.
Yeah,
All right, so start with introductions.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Ranji. I'm the Secretary of the Department for Services for Children, Youth, and Their Families.
Hi, I'm Ellen Levin, and I am sorry, start over.
Go ahead.
What am I? I am a volunteer child advocate in Delaware.
And tell us a little bit about Kind of Kids and what this morning's program means.
Well, Kind of Kids is a nonprofit that was started to help provide things for some of the kids coming into foster care, some of those extras that government isn't able to provide. So my department has the Division of Family Services that works with foster families and gets kids into safety, but there are other things that they're not able to provide. And so Kind of Kids provides books, they provide toys at Christmas, they do a life skills program for kids aging out, and do a lot of those extras to try to help kids feel a little more secure and closer to home.
And Ellen, tell us a little bit about how you got involved and what it's like working with Kind of Kids.
Well, I first met Caroline Jones, the president of Kind of Kids, because we're both court-appointed special advocates in family court. We work with children that are in foster care, and we advocate on their behalf. And eventually we became friends, and this past year I had the opportunity to work at the holiday party where the children were able to select a book or two and some toys for their holiday celebration. And in many cases it's the first time a child has been able to have a book that they can keep, and also it may be the only toy that they get for Christmas.
Okay, perfect.